Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make this beautiful lace edging, which you can use for your summer tops, you can use for your shawls, summer shawls, your scarves, and even you can use this for your bedspreads, or you can use for your tote or handbags, the market bags. So let's go ahead and start making this pattern. Okay, for this crochet edging, I have taken a hook size of 0.60 mm, and I have taken red heart cotton 3 ply knitting yarn, and this is of rose color, rose pink color. I'll start my work by making, first I'll insert my hook anywhere, somewhere between or near to the corner. As I always say, do not start with here, right from extreme corner. So I'll start from here and I'll grab my yarn and make chain of, first I'll make this starting chain of 1, then I'll make 3 more chains, 1, 2 and 3. Then at a certain distance here, not too big or not too small, that I'll make single crochet here like this. I'll make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and single crochet. Now after every 2 gaps of 3 chain, I'll make a gap of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chain, and I'll make a distance, a bit of distance like this here. I'll make a distance like here and a single crochet. Again 1, 2 and 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 single crochet. Then I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and a single crochet. So likewise you have to keep repeating chain 3 gap, 2 chain 3 gap, then chain 6 gap, 2 chain 3 gap, then chain 6 gap, 2 chain 3 gap, chain 6 gap. Likewise you have to make all the way round. I'll complete till this corner at least, and I'll show you what we have to do next. So here I'm ending up my first row by making a chain of 6, as I've started with chain of 3 gap, and now I'm gonna do a slip stitch right here on the first chain, and my round is completed. In the next round, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a slip stitch 1. Here in the center I'll come and I'll do one more slip stitch here, 2, and I'll make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'm gonna do a single crochet here like this. I've made 3 chains, I've made a single crochet here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make here 9 double crochet. 1 in the chain 6 gap, I'll make 9 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now I'm going to directly do a single crochet here in the next chain 3 gap. Then I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then I'll do a single crochet in the next chain 3 gap, and again in the chain 6 gap I'll make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then a single crochet in the next chain 3 gap. Then I'll make chain 3 and single crochet in the next chain 3 gap, and again I'll repeat the sequence of 9 double crochet in chain 6 gap, 1 single crochet chain 3 gap, taking 3 chains, another single crochet in the chain 3 gap. Likewise I'll repeat this complete row, and I'll see you at the end of the row here, and I'll tell you what we have to do next. So I have completed this second round, and I've completed this 9 double crochet. I'm finishing this round with 9 double crochet, and I'm doing a slip stitch here where we have started with a single crochet. I'm doing this slip stitch here. Now what I have to do is, between these two where we have made this chain 3 gap, what I'll do is I'll make chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'll do a single crochet there itself in that stitch, in that particular stitch here. Oops. Make a single crochet here. It will look like a picot, but it's actually not a picot. It's just the chain 5, a small this thing curl like chain 5 here, and then I'll make chain 5, 1 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and leaving these 3 double crochet here, 1, 2 and 3. On the 4th one I'll make a single crochet, 1. On the 5th one I'll make the 2nd, and on the 6th one I'll make the 3. So we have to make 3 single crochet on the top of these double crochets which we have taken in the center, 4, 5 and 6. Again I'll make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now here in this stitch where we have made chain 3 gap, I'll make a single crochet here. Then I'll make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I'll make one more single crochet in the same chain 3 gap. Like this. So our pattern will look like this. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I'll make 1, 2, 3. On the 4th chain I'll make a single crochet. 5th chain I'll make the 2nd single crochet. On the 6th chain I'll make the 3rd single crochet. So I'll keep repeating like this. I'll make 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then in this chain 3 gap I'll make a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and single crochet in the same chain 3 gap like this. So our pattern will look like this. I'll finish this round and I'll see you here. Alright, so here I'm done with my 3rd round, and I'm going to slip stitch here at the corner where we have made this picot like thing, and here I'll do a slip stitch. Now what we have to do next is I am going to do a slip stitch from behind, because I have to reach here. I cannot make a slip stitch here, it will not look nice. So I'll make a slip stitch from behind here in this chain 5 gap, and I'll make one more slip stitch and one more slip stitch, 3 slip stitch I make. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and here I will make a single crochet. Okay, what we will do here is, before starting a chain of 3, we can do one thing. We can make a chain here and a single crochet and then a chain, 1, 2, 3, and we'll do single crochet in the center single crochet here. We have made 3 single crochet on 4th, 5th and 6th double crochet of the previous round. Then I'll do a single crochet on the second stitch here, second single crochet, like this, then 1, 2 and 3, and single crochet in this chain 5 gap, like this. You have to make it like this. Now I make chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have to make over this 5 chain picot like thing, and I'll directly make a single crochet in the next chain 5 gap, like this. And again I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll make single crochet in the center one amongst the 3 single crochet. Then I'll make 1, 2, 3 chain and single crochet in the chain 5 gap. Then I'll make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and directly I'll make a single crochet in this chain 5 gap. And likewise I'll keep repeating 1, 2 and 3 in the center one, then 1, 2 and 3 in the center here, 5 chain gap, and then 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the next chain 5 gap. So likewise I'll complete this fourth round. I'll complete this first, second, third, yes, fourth round, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. So I am done with my fourth round, and now I've made chain 5 over this like picot like thing. I will make a slip stitch here, and I'll complete my round 4. Now I'll enter into this chain 3 gap. I'll make 1 slip stitch, chain 1 and 1 single crochet here, so that we'll remember we have started round from here. I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then I'll make a single crochet in the next chain 3 gap. So basically this 5th round is repetition of round 1. Round 2. So here we have made chain 3 gap, and now in the next chain 5 gap I'll make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and then I'll make single crochet in the next chain 3 gap, then I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I'll make single crochet in the next chain 3 gap, and then again I'll make in the chain 5 gap I'll make 9 double crochet. So I'm repeating row number 1 exactly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I'll keep repeating this row likewise. Here I'll make single crochet, chain 3. In the next gap I'll make single crochet, then I'll make chain double 9 double crochet in the chain 5 gap. So we have to repeat row number 2 here as row number 5. And if you want to make more rows you can. I think I'll stop here by making this would be my last row, and I'll see you at the end of this row. Alright, so I finally completed my last round, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch here where we have taken one single crochet, and my work is done, finished. So if you want you can repeat these rows, row number 3 and 4 over this if you want a broad border or edging, but for my hanky, for my napkin, I think this is good. So I'm gonna finish it here, and you go ahead and try this pattern. This is a beautiful lace edging pattern, and comment me and tell me how did you like it. Till then, please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. I'll see you then.